Hello, hi, welcome back again to this channel. In this video here, it's a quick review of this dash cam here. It's a NEXPOW 2-channel front and rear dash cam. You can see it here. It's a very nice dash cam. I was looking at it and just wanted to point out a few things about this dash cam here. You can see it comes with this package here. You can see the in the box. It shows you that's the camera, the front camera, and it has a rear camera. And the rear camera in this dash cam here, it's right here. It's actually very nice because it comes with a very long cord here. This connects to the front camera here, plugs into the front camera, and you can see this is the rear camera here. So you can really, when you plug it into the main camera, you can move the wire all across from the dashboard all the way to the side of the car, all the way to the back of your rear windshield, and it's very nice. So the screen of this main camera will be splitting between, when you plug in the rear camera, will split in two for front and back, but you don't really have to use the rear camera. If you don't use the rear camera, the screen will be a full picture of the front. So it's a choice. And I'll show you the rear camera itself here. I was just installing it here, right here. So this is always a good place to install it, right there and in the middle under the rear view mirror. It's always a good spot right there. And it comes with the thing about this camera, it comes with a sticker. So you stick it onto the windshield. I'll show you here. And you open the box. I'll show you here real quick when I open the box. It comes with this sticky thing here. Oops, dropped. Okay, this one here. And if you peel that red top sticker, so you get a sticky part, and you stick that in your windshield. You clean the windshield and pick a spot, a dry spot, and stick it there. Yeah, so one thing about this camera here, it seems like once you attach it to the windshield, it just stays there. That's the one downside about it. It stays there, and because you're using the stickers to stick it to the windshield, it's hard to remove it. I mean, so if you have, for example, if you have like two vehicles or an extra vehicle, you might have to buy two cameras instead of just removing this one from the windshield all the time. But it's a nice camera, and we can go over the manual and look at the manual. It comes with a manual, a very nice manual. It's very detailed, and we can take a look and see. So this is the manual, and you can see it tells you right there, read all instructions before use and save these instructions for future use. That's very important because the manual is very detailed. very detailed. And I want to show you something about this manual. Okay, you can see, let's open the book and see. Okay, this camera comes with an SD card, 64 GB SD card, and it tells you right there on the third page when you open it there about how to work with the SD card. It can handle from 16 GB up to 256 GB SD card. So it's a pretty strong camera here. Okay, the manual is very detailed, very good, very clear, very easy to read. If you look at it, I wanted to show you something here about this. Okay, it tells you everything comes with. You can see what the camera, the box, what was in the box, the camera, the power cable, the 64 GB micro SD card, the rear camera, and the user manual. All those will be in the box. Then it shows you the different things in the camera, the numbers. You can see you match the numbers with the next page. It describes everything. Shows you the specifications in the manual. Even describes for you the best way to install it, how to install the camera right there, how to mount it right there, best mounting location and everything, system settings and everything. Very descriptive manual. It describes everything. You can see the manual is all in English only. And I want to show you something about this camera that was very interesting here. Let's go back to the camera itself and see something here. So you can see when you look at the camera, the screen is very small. Actually, you can barely see anything on the camera itself when you're driving. You know, the screen is very small. But it has this camera here has an inbuilt Wi-Fi inside the camera. So if you go back to the manual and look at the manual, let's look at the manual again. There's something very interesting about this camera. See, the manual tells you the camera has an inbuilt Wi-Fi connection inside the. So what that means, you can use this camera with the inbuilt Wi-Fi to connect to the internet, and you download the app. There's an app that you can download for this camera. Everything is in the manual. It shows here in the manual, and you can watch live whatever you're recording on the camera on your phone. So you like you see, it tells you enable Wi-Fi. By default, the Wi-Fi is on. They show you if it's off, how to turn it on. Then it tells you connect your smartphone. Open your phone Wi-Fi settings, look for the SSID beginning with blah, blah, blah here. Enter the default password. And then it tells you connect your Wi-Fi, view available networks and all that. And when the Wi-Fi is on, you can connect your smartphone to the camera. You connect the smartphone to the camera. And let's see what this last page here says. Here, the last page says, access the app. Once connected, open the DashGo app on your smartphone. You can now view live video, adjust settings, or manage recordings directly from the app. So you see that. So this camera here, you can do live recording. For those people who like doing live recordings, YouTube and all that, TikTok and all that. you can do that. You can do that through this dash cam here. And you see, if you have an iPhone, you can go to the App Store. If you have a for Apple, and if you have a Android, you can get the app on Google Play too. So this is a reasonable, it's a very reasonable camera, dash cam. I was just wanted to do a quick review of it, how I'm seeing it so far. Uh, the screen here is very small, but let's see if we can, if we turn it on. Let's see if we can turn it on. Okay, see, we can turn it on. It has a power button up here. It tells you everything here. Here, if you press the mode here and you go to the settings here, you can do everything in here. You see, you have all the settings here. You can adjust. You can do the loop the video. You can do everything here. If you go to the menu, to tell you everything, and you can use your manual to do everything here using this. But the screen here is very small. Although you can see the settings on the menu, but the screen is very small. But like I showed you, you can use your phone to work this camera, and it comes with a rear camera too. So I mean, check this NEXPOW dash cam and see if you like it. It's just a basic review. You can see it's a front and rear dash cam, 2 channel, 2K, 4K, UHD. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave your comment in the comment section. If you have any question, you can ask there in the comment section. Check our other videos in this channel. We have a lot of videos of various things, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. And you can ask any questions there, and I'm sure someone will answer, or will answer what we can answer. I hope you have a good day, and see you again in the next video. Okay, bye.